Restaurants in River North were forced to cut hours more than any other neighborhood in the country during the pandemic. That's according to a new report from the firm Datassential, headquartered here in Chicago. It examines changes in the nation's restaurant hours since 2019. Sam Toia is the president and CEO of the Illinois Restaurant Association. He is here to discuss the latest on how local restaurants were impacted and how they're recovering, because that's what we all want, is that recovery. Sam, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So the rebound seems slow. I know people are eager to get out, but a lot of us feeling a bit like, maybe it's not happening fast enough. And now this study sort of confirms that. So the big question is why?
Well, this is similar to businesses in other entertainment districts across the country. Obviously, as you just stated, we were number one. I get it. Consumers' demands are adjusting. It's the new normal. Thursdays now are the new Friday. Before the pandemic, we had over 600,000 people working in the central business district here in the city of Chicago. Now we're having maybe about 250,000 to 300,000 people working each day in the central business district. A lot of people are working from home a few days a week, coming into the office a few days a week. So a lot of restaurants have had to adjust their hours, not be open for lunch. Again, as I just mentioned, Thursday are the new Fridays. So we're all getting used to the new normal. And the labor shortage and inflation has been a big hindrance as well. A lot of restaurants in hospitality industry, venues don't have enough team members. That's why I always say we need immigration reform. I would love to get working visas for hospitality workers like they do have for farm workers here in the United States.
So compare it to pre-pandemic so we can put this all in perspective. What are we talking about?
Well, again, as I just mentioned, there was 600,000 people that would come down each day to the central business district to work pre-pandemic. They would go out to lunch, they would go out after work, happy hour, for dinner. We don't have that many people because it's the new normal. And it's not just here in Chicago, it's in New York, it's in Los Angeles,
so clearly
it's in
supply and demand, but how many restaurants have limited their hours and about how many hours are they limited specifically?
Well, again, they're cutting back on their lunch hours.
Okay.
They're also cutting back on lunch hours, and they're also cutting back on how late they used to be open. A lot of restaurants would stay open till like midnight. Now they're taking reservations up till 10 o'clock. And they have to do this not just because of the new normal, but also because we do not have enough team members to work in the restaurants. That's also a problem. All restaurants, even in good times, 95 to 97 cents goes out for fixed costs, labor costs, product costs. That's in good times. It's a restaurant. The restaurant industry is a business of pennies and nickels.
Yeah, I know it's been tough.
So with that said, you have to look on how you can cut corners to stay profitable.
Any special recruiting efforts? Because I know there really have not been a lot of people applying for jobs or an ability to keep top staff.
Restaurants, again, every restaurant I know, 80% of the restaurants out there are trying to hire new team members. That's why we need immigration reform. Like I said, immigrants have always been the backbone of the hospitality industry here in the city of Chicago. So that's why we really need immigration reform. We've talked with Senator Duckworth about getting working visas for hospitality workers like they do for farm workers. So we at the Illinois Restaurant Association are communicating with our elected officials how to ease this burden in the new normal.
Right, because we all wanted to get back to normal and get to enjoy ourselves again. Sam Toia, thanks so much for being here, President and CEO of the Illinois Restaurant Association.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.